Hey everybody, this is Tony DeMakis with Alliance Specialties and Alliance Laser Sales, and we have some exciting news. We have a brand new laser engraving product that we are bringing to market. We looked at a lot of different laser engravers that were already in the industry, and we thought, if we're going to do this, it's got to be something different. It's got to offer more than what's currently on the market. It's got to be easy to use. It's got to make small part marks. It's got to be able to do all the things that we're going to need it to do. It's got to be safe. It has to be made in America. It has to cover all the things that we're looking for. It has to tick all the boxes. And so what we are doing is we are building and introducing you to the Alliance Advantage. The Alliance Advantage is a fiber laser engraving system that utilizes MOPA laser technology, which allows you to adjust the frequency as well as the pulse width, giving you greater flexibility in whatever it is that you're trying to do. It comes in a class 1, which is fully enclosed for safety concerns, or class 4. So if you have larger parts that you need to mark, you get the same system, just minus the doors and the walls. We would advise you to put up curtains or do something to keep it contained for yourself. But this particular machine is a class 1 system, meaning it's fully enclosed, totally safe. It comes in 3 different powers, a 30 watt, a 60 watt, and a 100 watt system, depending on what you're trying to do with your marks, whether it's a deep mark, whether it's a surface mark, whatever that looks like. It's a great machine for production engraving, as you'll see with this door, and it is a great product. We're really excited to bring it to market. And I'm going to bring Dave Noonan in. Dave is our solution specialist when it comes to laser engravers. He helped build this machine, and he's going to show us exactly what it can do. Dave, take it away.
Okay, so we're set up today to do a couple of things. Show you the mark with the rotary device, and then how to use the system without a rotary. So we have a part chucked up that's ready to go, and then we'll swap out parts, and we'll go ahead and we'll mark something flat. So we have the program open and running. It's ready to go. The part is loaded. All we have to do is hit the button, the door comes down, and the mark gets started. So you see, since this is a hex part, we're going to mark the flat of a hex, and it's going to turn and then mark the next flat. So we have that. As soon as the mark is finished, the door will automatically raise. So this will be the final flat being marked, and the door will raise up. So to switch this out, we simply come in, grab the key, remove the part. Find the key here. Remove the part from the rotary.
As you can see, the mark is super clean. It's clear. It's bright white letters on a black part. It's a really easy solution. You saw how fast it was, and that's just real time. Dave, why might somebody want to do something like this?
Well, it's all typically driven by identification, traceability requirements. You need to mark a part number, a date code, a serial number, maybe a company logo, things that need to be applied to the part for traceability.
And more and more companies are worried about that now, right? They're worried about fake parts coming in. They're worried about people trying to claim warranty things on things that aren't their items.
Absolutely.
And this allows customers and companies to be able to mark every single part, put an ID on there, put a QR code or something identifiable to make sure that it's their part and protect them in the industry.
Absolutely. Yeah, so they can do that, or there are other reasons. They may be required to mark for aerospace requirements, for Department of Defense. I mean, we can do all of that with this and our software.
So what I think is really cool is how quick you can go from one application to another with this machine.
Right.
We've seen them where it's a complex system where you have to make a lot of adjustments. What we want to do is have a system and a machine that was quick and easy for the user. So how do we go from something that would use a rotary to a flat piece?
Right, so we've got the flat piece. I've removed the rotary piece previously. I'm going to drop this in. We have a small fixture plate with a right angle gauge, and then I need to change the software program from one to the other. So I'll go ahead and close down the marking box. We'll open up the new marking file and open our radial mark. We're going to put a curved mark on a round part. So we're ready to go. Open up the box and we're ready to mark this part. So I'll go ahead and hit our Start Mark button. The door will lower and we'll go ahead and put a quick mark on this anodized red part. So the laser is able to mark on an arc, mark on straight lines, angles, many different things, but very quick, very simple, very easy. You can see how nice and crisp the mark is. So all kinds of different materials, metals, polymers, plastics. We can mark all kinds of different materials with the fiber laser source.
Yep. And what's nice is a couple things: how quickly you're able to achieve what you're trying to do. The fact that the Z is programmable. As you saw, we didn't have to go in and manually make adjustments to make sure that that Z was at the right height. It is a 5-axis system, correct? Four-axis system with the rotary, the X, Y, and the Z. Like we said, it's enclosed, it's not enclosed. It is made to be built how you need it. We have our staff here. We're ready to help you come up with the solutions that you need for the products that you have, and we're happy to help. So if you're interested in this product, you can reach out to Dave. His email is
DaveN@AllianceLaserSales.com.
And you can find us on LinkedIn where you'll see this video. So we want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Take care and God bless.
Thank you.